Welcome back to our channel. PromiseDay is just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to show your loved one how much they mean to you. And what could be more romantic than cooking a special dinner for your loved one? Imagine the joy of sharing a meal you've prepared with love. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a juicy garlic butter steak that's perfect for this special occasion. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make. Let's get started. First up, let's take a look at our ingredients. You'll need 2 ribeye or filet mignon steaks, salt and black pepper, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 4 garlic cloves, smashed 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary or thyme, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. These simple ingredients will come together to create a mouth-watering dish. All right, step 1, season the steak. Generously season both sides of the steak with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning, it's what brings out the natural flavors of the beef. This simple seasoning really brings out the natural flavors of the beef. Make sure every inch of the steak is covered. Step 2, sear the steak. Heat a cast iron pan over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil. The cast iron skillet is perfect for this because it retains heat so well. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place the steak in the pan. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of deliciousness in the making. Let it sear undisturbed for 2-3 minutes until a deep golden crust forms. This crust is what locks in all the juices. Flip and repeat on the other side. Make sure you get that same beautiful crust on both sides. Step 3, baste with garlic butter. Lower the heat and add your butter, smashed garlic, and fresh rosemary or thyme to the pan. The aroma will be absolutely intoxicating. Tilt the pan slightly and spoon the melted garlic butter over the steak repeatedly. This step infuses the steak with deep, rich flavors while keeping it incredibly juicy. The butter and herbs will seep into every bite. Step 4, let the steak rest. Resist the temptation to cut into the steak right away. This resting period is crucial. Let it rest for about 5 minutes to retain all those delicious juices. This ensures that every bite is as juicy as possible. Now step 5, plating and setting up your romantic dinner. Serve the steak with creamy mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or a light salad. These sides complement the steak perfectly. Don't forget to drizzle the remaining garlic butter over the top for that extra flavor. This final touch makes all the difference. Set the table with warm candlelight and let this meal create unforgettable memories on this special PromiseDay. The ambiance is just as important as the food. And there you have it. A juicy, flavorful garlic butter steak perfect for a romantic evening. This dish is sure to impress and make your PromiseDay unforgettable. Whether you're celebrating with a loved one or treating yourself, this meal is sure to impress. The effort you put into this dish will be appreciated. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more romantic recipes. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy your special meal and have a wonderful PromiseDay.